Need a burping hack for your little bundle of joy? Let's dive into the burping basics. Tip 1. The classic over the shoulder. Just pop your baby over your shoulder. Gently pat their back. And easy peasy. Tip 2. The sitting position. Sit your baby on your lap. Support their chest and head, and give a little rub or pat. It's like magic. And the final trick, lying on your lap. Lay your baby face down across your knees. Support their head, and give a gentle back rub. Voila, remember every baby's different. So find what works best for you. Happy burping, parents. You've got this. Like and subscribe for more baby tips. See ya.